Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on how when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, if you should notice, this had been on downtrend for a while, and earlier today when I did my video, I told you that this is still selling right now. Okay, so just the way we are saying it, you can see that it is still selling. Okay, it actually tried to go on uptrend after getting to this support zone, but was unable to break out above these resistance zones. Okay, it tried it out 2 times, but it came down to break out below this, and that gives room for more selling opportunity, and that is why it is still selling even at the moment. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 had actually been on uptrend for a very long time, but it got to this resistance and was unable to break out from there. So I am expecting this to sell more because this is like forming a kind of head and shoulder. Okay, so I expect it to sell more, and of course I am expecting it to get to this region, so you can target this particular spot. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 actually went on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. The same thing happened here also. It got there, it was unable to break out from there. And if you should notice, down here, it has also been going back from this support region. So it has been moving within this channel, because this is what we call channel. So right now it has got into this region and it is selling at the pullback, and I'm expecting it to sell down till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is Paynex 999. This had been on uptrend right from this support zone. You remember I told you about this about 2 days ago, and it's always having a pullback and later on go back up to break out above it. Right now it has given us another pullback, and it's most likely for this to go back again and break out from this structure. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 actually started the downtrend right from here, sold for a while, had this pullback and came back down to sell, and it sold till it got to this particular support region, had this pullback, and as you can see it is selling right now, trying to see if it will break out below this particular structure. And if that happens, then definitely we will be having more selling opportunity right from there. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.